Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. What you see behind me is the city highway, and today I've decided to start my video from here because today the video is all about my gym tour. But before I start this video, I'll have to switch to the main camera, so let me switch the camera first. Alright, so here's my gym and this is how it looks from out, and that over there what you see is the main entrance. Let us walk through and let me show you everything from beginning to the end. So as you enter here, on the left you will see a garden, and there is the generator just in case the lights go off. Over here sitting is my watchman, there I am. And as you turn on your left, here's the entrance. This is the reception area, and this is for the clients to wait until we are busy inside. This is our personal cabin. She is the owner of this gym, but we'll come back to that later. On the right you will see the racks, the shoe racks, and over here this is the steam room. This is the washroom for men, for women, again changing room for women and a changing room for men. And this is where you can sit and tie your shoes. So I'll put on the lights, I'll show you once again. So this is how exactly it is. As you enter over here you get lockers, and then we have, okay, let me show you the steam room. Let me open this and show it to you. I'll have to turn on the lights. Alright, so this is my steam room here, okay, and as I showed you, washroom and changing room. As you get out on the right is the entrance of my gym. This is the biometrics. Alright, so this is the cardio section here. While you are doing cardio, I have a large glass over here so you can see outside while you are running or jogging. Yes, right now you can see the reflection. On the right you see the mirror, that's me. And again we have ellipticals. Okay, let me get to the end so that you can see it clearly. Alright, so here we have treadmills, here we have ellipticals, upright and recumbent bike, rower, and then we have spinners in line, and that's the treadmill. Over here we have the cable machines. It is from Impulse brand, and then over here you see the plate loaded machines. Alright, and these are from Techno Gym, as you can see here. Yep. And over here what you see is our dumbbell area, and this is rubber. Okay, so just in case, this is 10 mm. So this is dumbbell area, rubber area, so just in case if you are doing some heavy weights and drop the dumbbells, no problem. Again, mirror over here, and the dumbbells that you see here, this is specially branding done on the dumbbell. Let me yeah, over here. So this is our logo, this is our brand. We got this dumbbells and these plates. Let me show you the plates too. Even the plates have our logo on it. So here are the plates. This is 5 kgs. Yeah, so plates and dumbbells, this is what we imported from Singapore. Again, it's out of focus there. And I hope the light outside is on. No, it's not. Oh my god, it's really dark. Alright, so wait, let me turn on the lights first. Bam, there we are. Okay, so this is the CrossFit area over here. Alright, the tires are there, the hammer is there, and again over here we have pull-up station, so you can pull up, you can, you do the monkey walks and all. And this is the area for the CrossFit. And let me show you my cardio room. Again, I will have to turn on the lights here over here. Alright, so this is my aerobic room, or Zumba happening here, floor exercises happening here. This is the mirror over here. And I have some gym balls, I have some tires, I have Reebok steps, I have this jump box. Alright, and then we have the bands and medicine balls, and of course just in case you need, we have a small little bookshelf here, so if somebody wants to borrow the books they can. And this is all about it. Yeah, the ceiling, the lightings. Let me show you the lightings outside too. And he's lunging, let him finish with the lunge. Great. So this is how my gym looks from one end to another. All right, so right now where I'm standing is next to the what do you call it, CrossFit area. Okay, from here till that end is our gym. That's how big it is. Now there's something that I forgot to show you as I entered, which we have the kitchen area over here. So this is the kitchen area. Okay, yeah, we have the water dispenser, we have fridge, we have a sitting area for people to sit and have their meals or protein powder, whatever they want. This is the stretching machine here, very common. And again, the lights, the lightings, the ACs, and yeah, forgot to mention the speakers. So we have 5 speakers all over this. They are from JBL. And the most important part, this as we enter. So this is Lord Ganesha. Okay, so how do you guys like this gym? The small tour of my gym. Did you guys like the gym or not? Do comment and let us know. And by the way, she is Mrs. Shetty. She's the owner of this gym. It was a dream to plan and make one of the best gym in the town, and yes, she has done that. She has made a dream come true. And if there is any videos that you would want us to make on any particular workout, do let us know. Do comment. We will plan to make it out. And next video is coming up on diet, I guess. So the next video that is coming out is going to be on diet, and that's when I'll be telling you more about her, because she is not just the owner of this gym, she is more than that. But then that topic for the next video. For now, I think that will be okay. I think that will be enough, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And yes, do not forget to subscribe, like and share this channel if you like the videos, and if you like my gym. Yeah, so do let us know how you like it. So yeah, you guys take care. We'll catch you in the next vlog. Till then, you guys stay fit, you guys stay healthy, and we'll catch you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Yeah, see you.